Upgrading the windows in your Frederick, Maryland home offers more than just a fresh aesthetic. It's a strategic investment that can lead to long-term savings, comfort, and even a boost in property value. Whether you're dealing with drafty panes, outdated frames, or rising energy bills, new windows can dramatically transform the way you experience your living space. Here's a closer look at the top benefits of replacing your windows in Frederick homes. Enhanced energy efficiency. Frederick experiences all 4 seasons, which means your home must contend with both humid summers and chilly winters. Old or inefficient windows often have poor insulation, causing HVAC systems to work overtime. By replacing them with double or triple pane energy-efficient models, you create a thermal barrier that keeps indoor temperatures more consistent. Modern windows often come with low E coatings and gas-filled spaces between panes, which reduce heat transfer. This leads to less strain on your heating and cooling systems, ultimately lowering your energy bills. Improved comfort. Year-round comfort is one of the most immediate benefits homeowners notice after window replacement. Gone are the cold drafts in the winter and overheated rooms in the summer. New windows reduce air leakage, minimize condensation buildup, and can even cut down on external noise. Ideal for homes near busy roads or school zones in Frederick. The result is a more consistent and comfortable indoor environment, no matter the weather outside. Boost in curb appeal. Frederick boasts a mix of historic and contemporary homes, and the right window style can beautifully complement either. Whether you own a charming Victorian or a modern ranch-style house, new windows can dramatically improve the appearance of your home's exterior. With various styles, frame materials, and finishes available, homeowners can tailor the look to suit personal tastes while enhancing the architectural integrity of their home. This instant facelift can be especially valuable if you're planning to sell in the near future. Increased home value. Replacing windows is one of the top home improvement projects with a strong return on investment. Buyers today are more energy conscious and often prioritize homes with recent upgrades. New, high-performance windows signal to prospective buyers that the home has been well maintained and is more efficient. In a competitive real estate market like Frederick, where property value continues to rise, upgraded windows can make your home stand out and attract higher offers. Reduced maintenance. Older wood-framed windows often require regular painting, staining, and repairs to combat weather damage. New window technologies have greatly reduced maintenance requirements. Vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames resist rotting, warping, and fading. Many modern models also feature tilt-in designs, making cleaning both interior and exterior panes simple and safe, especially for multi-story homes. Better safety and security. New windows aren't just about looks, they're also about protection. Modern frames and locking systems are built with durability and security in mind. Impact-resistant glass and multi-point locking hardware can significantly reduce the chances of break-ins. Additionally, updated egress windows, especially in basements or bedrooms, provide better escape routes in the event of an emergency, keeping your family safe and compliant with local codes. Environmental benefits. Reducing your home's energy consumption doesn't just save you money, it helps reduce your carbon footprint. In Frederick, where local sustainability initiatives are gaining traction, replacing your windows with Energy Star rated options contributes positively to community-wide environmental goals. Some window materials are also recyclable, and manufacturers are increasingly committed to sustainable production practices, offering peace of mind for eco-conscious homeowners. Final thoughts. Window replacement may seem like a big project, but the benefits far outweigh the initial cost and effort. For Frederick homeowners, upgrading your windows is a smart move that pays off through lower energy bills, greater comfort, enhanced home value, and a more beautiful space. Whether you're modernizing your home or preserving its historic charm, new windows can breathe fresh life into your property, inside and out.